So we're going to find the derivative of f of x, and we're going to use the definition of what a limit is. The definition of what a limit is the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over an h. So what we're going to do is also, we have f of x right here already, so we already have this part of our limit, but we need to find out what f of x plus h looks like. All right, so we have f of x plus h. We have our f of x, so we are going to set up the limit. Next, we're going to simplify each one of those expressions in the numerator. So right here with the blue part where I have 3 times x plus h squared is a binomial expression. So you could almost think about it like a box method that you're multiplying here. That creates x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And what we're going to do is, because of the extra 3, that's the coefficient in front of there, we're going to distribute a 3 to all of those terms. We're also going to distribute this -4. And then we also have all of the terms here. I'm going to distribute that subtraction sign. And now we're going to look for any like terms and combine any like terms together. So we have this 3x squared and this -3x squared, which will cancel. We have a -4x and a +4x, which will cancel. We also have a +3 and a -3 that will cancel. So now what are we left with? Now I still can't do my direct substitution and plug in h equals 0 because I will end up with 0 over 0 still. So that means I do have to factor a little bit, and on the top I do have a greatest common factor of h. I'm going to cancel out the h's. And now that I've canceled out that fraction, I can now do my direct substitution and plug in h equals 0 to get 6x plus 3 times a 0 minus a 4. And I end up with 6x minus 4 as my simplification. The 6x minus 4 is called my derivative, and I can represent it by using f prime of x equals 6x minus 4.